All right, team, here we go. Let's see it. There we go. Sold for those that could see it. Altogether on that trade, $895.10. I'm going to close out that other buy. And on the day, we're at $1,525.10. Right now, it's 10:38 a.m. Not too sure if you guys can hear it, but I feel like absolute donkey. But yeah, I'm going to talk to you guys very quickly about my overall breakdown, how today played out. That was one of my first trades today that was actually at $100,000 for the overall position size. If you're part of One Client Profit, you would have seen two of my trades that I took. Both were successful within the 30-minute to 40-minute live stream. I was up over $500 profit on the day. Today was probably a very efficient and effective day trading when it came down to my entries and when it came down to my exits. Sometimes, yes, I did sell too early, but altogether, I think I did a really nice job kind of just waiting for confirmation, averaging up once I got that confirmation, and then sold at any indication of a resistance. So I'm gonna eat some lunch real quick, and then we'll get to the breakdown. Shoot my shot a little bit. What do you think, Carly? Got it? I'm sorry, bro. Oh, we got our buckets. Here we go. All right, guys, so closing out the day, as you guys can see here, again, $1,525.10. That's what I closed on, ticker symbol UGAS and DGAS. I'll show you this very quickly so you guys can see the overall P&L here on my left-hand screen. You guys can see that $895.10, that is on ticker symbol UGAS. And then on ticker symbol DGAS, that's $630 altogether, a little bit over $1,500 profit. So why did I trade UGAS and DGAS, and how did I know when to buy it? That's what we're going to cover right now. So very quickly, if you're part of the Learn Plan Profit group, again, you guys saw me trade at least for the first $500 profit that I made within the day. That happened within the first 30 minutes. And one of the things that I talked about in that specific live stream was that my daily goal is 1%, which then correlates on over to $1,000 if I'm fully invested with $100,000. My first two trades were not anywhere close to $100,000, and if you're part of LPP, you would have seen that. One thing that I reminded myself was I was about to take a position right before that live stream closed, and one of the things that I reminded myself was how important it is to make sure that I kind of let it play out. One of the things that we noticed during pre-market hours is that it was consolidating a lot. It built a support right around 2.67 and a resistance right around 2.69. So one of the things that I wanted to do is I only wanted to trade about one or two more times. So once I exceeded my goal, that was all I had to do. But I needed to make sure that I built myself a margin of profit. And what do I mean by that? Like, I could have taken these small little plays and gotten close to the $1,000, but the direction was not super clear. It was not super clear that, you know, DGAS was overbought. It was not super clear that UGAS was oversold. So one had to push up while the other one became oversold, and then it would be that much more clear for me. So what I decided to do is, again, I took a play during pre-market hours. I locked in profits on ticker symbol UGAS as it hit around 2.69. So I bought the dip as natural gas was right around that middle view up. It pushed up, hit 2.69, locked in profits on ticker symbol UGAS. Great, I made $280 during pre-market hours. It began to sell off. I didn't take a position on DGAS. It began to consolidate, and then it began to break above the EMA line again. During the live stream, I added more to my shares. I think I had about 2,500 shares if I'm not mistaken. And then I began to sell when we got close to or near to 2.69, which again, then I locked in profits. That put me up a little bit over $504 profit. Now, my biggest play was moving on forward when I saw that then you guys began to consolidate. You know, you guys continued to push up, continued to push up, and continued to push up. And this is what I want you guys to pay attention to. Now, natural gas became super overbought. You can see that with the RSI and the MACD. Based off previous patterns, it previously got rejected around 2.70, which then made sense that, again, it previously got rejected at that same resistance. Patterns tend to repeat themselves, they don't have to. But one of the things that I reminded myself was that, again, confirmation is key. So as this thing became super overbought, I had some skin in the game on the inverse ETF, which is DGAS. And then once it began to indicate signs of an uptrend, I reminded the people within Learn Plan Profit that, hey, we're starting to see signs of an uptrend on ticker symbol DGAS. And again, as this thing continued to push up, up, continue to push up, continue to push up. I locked in profits at where I thought to be a very realistic price point. This thing shot up another $3 after I sold. And I did not benefit from any of that. This led natural gas to sell off super aggressively. Then what happened? Then I built myself a margin of profit for the UGAS reversal. So then I saw some consolidation, bought the dip on UGAS, and then this thing began to uptrend, and then I locked in profit on ticker symbol UGAS. So that is exactly what led to the $630 profit. I could have made probably $2,000 to $3,000 profit, coulda, shoulda, woulda, on ticker symbol DGAS, if I would have held my position a little bit longer. But again, I didn't expect natural gas to sell off that aggressively. It was showing signs of an uptrend pattern, and I locked in profit to where it made sense to me. And then on ticker symbol UGAS, that's where I think I played the most, effective, where I made $895, which was my bigger trade, bigger profit for the day. And altogether, I just really focused. My two main focuses today were making sure that I was getting a good deal. So when I saw something become super overbought, I would look at the inverse ETF and then wait. I would get some skin in the game, but before going fully invested at the where I thought to be the bottom, I waited for confirmation of an uptrend. When it began to indicate signs of an uptrend, then I began to add more to my position size. And then when it became overbought and showed signs of resistance, I would then lock in profits. And again, it was a super simple approach when it came down to how I took natural gas, UGAS, and DGAS today. I just focused on making sure that I got a good deal, waited for confirmation, and locked in profits at any indication of a resistance. So altogether, again, if you're correlating it on over to my $100,000 overall account, I made about 1.5%, a little bit over that. My goal on a weekly basis is 5%. And again, I'm just trying to make sure that I feel comfortable and build that confidence trading with $100,000. And I just kind of wanted to share what I did well today. What I could have done better is there were some times that I did get in a little bit too early when it comes down to my initial position size, but I was in with such a small dollar amount, usually 1/5 or 1/4 of what I normally would be trading with. So that's just something that I can work on as time goes on, but it wasn't anything that I was never at one point stressed out or concerned about what was going on. So I had a lot of fun trading with the Learn Plan Profit Group. We had an amazing live stream, and really looking forward to the next couple of days. First day out of the week, I'm already up over $1,500, and I have about 3.5% left to go for me to be able to hit my overall weekly goal. So last week we did an amazing job, hit $10,000 profit, or 10%, and I'm hoping just to keep that momentum going. So I'm done trading for the day. I have a meeting with Brenton, who's actually that fitness trainer. We're planning on maybe making a video together with his car and mine. So I'm gonna get the team together. I'm gonna take a shower. As you guys can see, I talked about it very briefly. I don't feel very good. I have a sore throat, and I feel just kind of like yucky, if that's something, but there's a little bit of work that we have to knock out, and then after that, then I can kind of chill out and relax for the rest of the day. So let's go ahead and do it. Alrighty guys, one of the things that I wanted to quickly bring up is a lot of you guys always ask me like what my daily morning routine is. I really don't do anything special or unique other than getting myself out of bed and into my little trading station. The only thing that I do every single morning to feel like I'm gonna have a good day is doing my bed. I think it's again, very small things that make a big difference. So when I do my bed, usually my room is almost all the time except for that right now, normally always clean, but again, that's one of the things that I do every single morning right after I get up, and it makes me kind of like just feel complete. So quick little fun fact. Going to meet up with Brenton.
Too much whiskey in my red cup. Remember first day you wouldn't give it up. We had only scratched the surface.
Alright guys, so I'm taking over Ricky's channel. Hey, sorry, I gotta get my fame,
So I was
we're at this Mexican place.
I'm
from Arkansas, you know
with the niggas that I came with. But everything changed once some fame hit. Make it up, take you down.
If you guys don't know,
have a shot, I'm out around. Play my song, you like the sound. It's going down, it's going down.
Hit me up.
Let's drink coffee,
It's
watch
free. Give me a phone
passerbys.
call. I'm down.
And proof to you I'm not the average guy.
You should be down. I'm
It's
down.
just my flaws that they magnify.
Ceviche.
And when it's
What's going on, guys? Thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. It wasn't the most eventful day. Again, I'm not feeling the best, but I'm going to catch up on a little bit of messages, work, and then prepare for a solid day tomorrow when it comes down to trading. Again, you heard me talk about them in this video. It's the Learn Plan Profit Group, and if you want to be able to watch me trade live every single day like the Learn Plan Profit Group, that's going to be that first link in the description, so feel free to check it out. That's the only group that I work with on a closer basis, and if you see value in my videos and like the way that I break things down when it comes down to trading, I would love the opportunity to work with you on a closer basis. I hope I earned your thumbs up. If you guys haven't joined our free Facebook group, we're the biggest one out there with over 207,000 members all across the world. That's going to be that second link in the description. And if you have any questions about our cars or how we find the best car deals, let's schedule a call on that third link in the description. Appreciate you guys' time. Like and subscribe like always. Let's make sure that we end the year on a great note. Take it easy, team.